Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make purple glitter slime. For that I'm going to be needing purple glue, glitter glue. And then I'm going to be adding this glue in. It's really hard to get it out. So there we have the purple glue. And then now I'm gonna add silver glitter to make it more shine. So I'll add it in. I think this is enough like this. And if I need more, I'll add it like after when I'm done making slime. Now I'm gonna add pink sequins to get it more shiny and make it look more good to see. So you can see it and then you can say, let's mix it. Yep. So I'm getting it the color. So if anybody wants to add more glitter or more glue, you can add more glue. Let me see if I can get more glue out. If not, that's totally fine. I think it's fine. So I just want to add more glue so I can get a big slime. So it's done now. Let's mix it more. And I think I have to add a little bit more sequins so it can look more pretty. And then mix, and mix. And I think I'm ready to make it slime. So now I think it's a good color. So now I'm gonna add my contact slime solution. And then to make it a good slime, you really need a baking soda to get it more slime. So now I'm gonna mix it and let's see if it's a slime or not. Make it and make it. Keep on mixing it until it gets slime. I think I need like more contact slime solution. Yes. So I'm gonna add more contact slime solution, and then again mix it until it gets like this. So, and if it's still not getting it slime, so I think I'm missing more baking soda. So I'll add it, and then we just have to keep on mixing it. When we add baking soda, it gets like so good slime and then so like fluffy without adding shaving foam, like so. It's not getting slime right now. We have to keep on mixing it. And here we go. I don't know why it's not getting slime. I'd like more. I think I made it mixing it. There we go. Now it's getting slimy. Okay, there we go. So it's getting like slime, and I really like the color because it's purple, and then I added silver glitter. It's really up to you how much you have to add, like silver glitter, and then how much you have to add sequins in. To touch it right now. It's kind of sticky, so we have to keep on mixing it until it's get fully slime. Like so, mix it. So I think I'm ready to touch it. give it a good mix right there. Right there. I'm ready to touch it. There we go. So a little bit more. There we go. So now I'm gonna get it out with the spatula and try to mix it. I'm gonna get it out. Yep, it's a nice texture. I'm gonna move the bowl. And there it is. So there is my purple, really good slime. I like the texture, but we can say it's kind of sticky. So I'll add a little bit more activator to my hands. It won't stick to my hands. And then a little bit to the slime. Like so. So now it's not sticking. That means the slime is ready. So there is the slime, all completed, I can say. This is the texture. And then I really like the color. It's purple with silver glitter and a pink sequence. There we go. Now, let's make it fun. So I'm gonna add some googly eyes in it to make like a face. Now I'm gonna add googly eyes. There we go. There we go. One is here. And one is here. It's like we can say an octopus or something. So it looks just more good. So there is my slime all completed, I can say. If you guys want to add more fun things like more googly eyes, you guys can. And I think this is my slime all completed. So this is slime all completed. Guys, please share it, like it, and subscribe it. See you guys later. Bye guys. Don't forget to show a big thumbs up and subscribe.